Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini for work. First, understand that Gemini is a powerful AI assistant designed to enhance your professional tasks. It can significantly improve efficiency by automating routine work, providing quick insights, and assisting with creative processes. You can easily access Gemini through a web interface or via various integrated applications, making it a versatile tool for any professional setting. Gemini excels at content creation. Need to draft an email, a report, or even marketing copy? Just provide a prompt, and Gemini will generate a draft in moments. It's also fantastic for summarization, turning long articles or meeting notes into brief, digestible points. You can even specify the tone and style, ensuring your output perfectly matches your professional needs, saving you valuable time. When you're stuck for ideas, Gemini can be your best brainstorming partner. Simply input your challenge or topic, and it will provide a range of creative suggestions, helping you break through mental blocks. Whether you need innovative project concepts, solutions to a tricky problem, or fresh angles for a presentation, Gemini offers diverse perspectives to spark your creativity and move your work forward effectively. Gemini can also assist with task management and organization. It helps you structure your daily workflow, create detailed to-do lists, and even outline project plans. You can ask it to break down large tasks into smaller, manageable steps, or to suggest a logical sequence for your activities. This support ensures you stay organized and focused, making your work life smoother and more productive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.